Hi there, today I'm unboxing a 5-in-1 essential kit for a Raspberry Pi Zero. So this particular kit comes from a company called GeeekPi and it retails on Amazon for $6.99. So let's have a look what you get in the packaging. It's a very plain package, nothing too fancy about it. Okay, so first of all, got a USB adapter, micro to sort of standard size. Thin cable, not chunky or anything. Seems okay quality, nothing amazing. Okay, then we've got a mini HDMI adapter to standard HDMI. There you go. And within the case itself, so it's an acrylic case, 2 parts to it. The idea being keeping the Raspberry Pi Zero quite compact. Okay. And they've got a pin header for the actual Raspberry Pi. And a heatsink. And some fixtures. So I'll give you a quick close-up of the different components. So a gap there, obviously to place the heatsink on the Raspberry Pi. So the heatsink itself, the camera focuses in. It's a metal build with a sticky pad at the bottom to stick it on. Everything seems of reasonable quality. So let's have a go at putting this together with the Raspberry Pi Zero. So it doesn't come in the actual package, but here's my one. So let's take the fixtures out of the bag first of all. So it consists of 4 screws, 4 separators, and 4 nuts. Okay. So quite straightforward to put together. So literally take your separator, you just place it where the hole is on the Raspberry Pi, like so. And then obviously you take the top one, which has the hole. So you can place the heatsink on top. Just drop the screws through there, make sure they go through the separator. Okay, so all the nuts are secured. Just to give you a bit of a close-up on the case. Quite a cool design there. So it sort of attracted me to it. And obviously lots of space to give it a bit of airflow. And obviously the heatsink can stick straight on there. Doesn't protrude too much. And then just solder the connectors just there, like so. Just slightly sticks out, so not too bad, quite good in that way. And then the actual adapter itself looks gold plated, so that's good. And the actual USB connector as well. And there you go. quite a nice compact design. We're looking for it to be used probably just like that and just plugged into the mains straight for a project we're thinking of doing. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.